Hi guys, just want to do a very quick video for the Cayenne, the 958 generation, the fuel level sender unit. So I searched on YouTube, there's nothing. So just gonna take 2 minutes of your time. So there's two different sensors that have two different part number. That's the first one. That's the second one. So I have to remake a video and tell you which one is which, but this is actually level sensor 1. I did 7 of them. Usually the number 1 go bad first and the number 2 go. But to do this job, first you have to remove the rear seats, and then basically like this. And then after you remove it, you have to undo the fuel pump, which is like this. And then the only thing that you have to be very careful, between that and this, there's a hose. Let me see if I can take a very good picture for you. This is actually a transfer pump. And then here, let me hold this with my knee. You see that? You have to disconnect this line because this line actually connects to there. If I pull on this line, if I pull on it, see? You see how that moves? Because it's actually connected. So you have to undo this line, the one on the side right there. Do you see that? The one on the side. This one. There's two different lines on this transfer pump. One goes down, and one goes to the side. You have to disconnect this one, the one on the side, and then you can move it a little bit. I don't like to disconnect it just in case I mix up the lines. But then if you look under there, if you look under there, right there, there's your sending unit. You see that float? And then that actually disconnect right here. You see this? You have to disconnect this connector and then unclip the plastic clip down there. Right there. Okay, so the level sensor 2 is a flat one, which is this guy. So which is this guy? That's a flat one. Behind the left side. So the part number for that one, let's see. Here. That will be the part number on the left side. Okay. So in order to disconnect that, all you gotta do, you see this tab? Oh, when you take this out, be very gentle, because this is almost $300. Okay. So right now it's sitting at an angle like this, like it sits in like a plastic groove. So what you want to do, you want to unclip this one, push it in, and then pull it out. For the new one, you just slide it in. That's it. You can actually tell there's a guide right there. Yeah. So don't be afraid. Put your hand in the gasoline. And then enjoy. Let me see if I can get it out. Oh my god. So I had to go in. So I have to go in and then push on this tab on the other side and pull it out. So there we go, like this. Hi guys, so this is a fuel level sensor 1. In case if you forgot how the direction is, so this one, the actual meter facing forward. Okay, it's like this, and you just find the hole and put it in. Make sure this plastic clip engages. Then it's not that bad.